Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake for safety. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts and airbag warnings. Gather a 10 mm socket, an 8 mm socket, ratchet, extension, trim tools, and a flat screwdriver. Wear gloves and eye protection while working around panels and bulbs. Allow the engine bay to cool for at least 30 minutes before touching plastic or metal. Keep a clean container ready for screws and clips you will remove. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws along the bumper lower edge with trim tools and a 10 mm socket. Open the hood and remove the top bumper fasteners using an 8 mm socket where required. Unclip the inner wheel liner and fold it back to expose headlight bolts behind the fender. Support the bumper edge when pulling it slightly away to avoid paint damage. Place fasteners and clips in an organized tray labeled by location to simplify reassembly later. Photograph each step for reference if needed. Disconnect the headlight electrical connectors by pressing the release tabs and pulling straight back gently. Remove the 3 headlight mounting bolts using a 10 mm socket and extension while supporting the headlight assembly with your other hand. Carefully lift the headlight straight out from its mounting pocket, watching for any remaining clips or wiring harnesses. Inspect bulb sockets and connectors for corrosion and replace bulbs if necessary before reinstalling the assembly. Refit the headlight, start.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.